Hello to everyone. I'm going to present you this kit that contains all the elements required to build this quadcopter. I'm going to show you some of the components that will allow us to make this quadcopter. First of all, we need the soldering iron, which works together with the iron stand and the steel lead solder. We'll also need some working gloves. We'll also need 4 speed controllers that will connect to the bottom and the top plate of the quadcopter. Moreover, we'll need some wires to make the connection with the battery.